Hello dear students, in numerical method, today we will discuss the chapter numerical solution of ordinary differential equation by Taylor series method. So this is the lecture 2 of numerical solution of ordinary differential equations. So first we will explain the ordinary differential equation which involves the numerical solution. So what is ordinary differential equation? See, the ordinary differential equation means an ordinary differential equation is a differential equation which involves only one independent variables. Here we shall consider the numerical solution of differential equation of the first order of the type dy by dx equal to f of xy. Here the problem of the form of differential equation is dy by dx equal to f of xy, means with all initial condition y equal to y0 and x equal to x0. That means dy by dx equal to f of xy, y of x0 becomes y0. So this is the format of differential equation which involves numerical solution. There are so many methods to solve this type of differential equation. These are the methods: Picard's method, Taylor series method, Euler's method, Euler's modified method, then Kutta method, and all these methods to solve the differential equation, this type of differential equations. So in today's lecture we will discuss the method, that is second method, that is Taylor series method. So first we explain the working rule of Taylor series method. In the first step, step number 1, given equation of the form y dash equal to dy by dx with x equal to x0 and y equal to y0. Put this equation is equation number 1. Now in step 2, differentiate equation 1 successively, we get y double dash, y triple dash, y4 dash, etc. Means after differentiating successively, we get the second order, third order, fourth order, etc. Now, in step third, putting x equal to x0, y equal to y0 in the above successively differentiating results, finally we get y dash of 0, y double dash of 0, y triple dash of 0, y fourth of 0, etc. Means after substituting the value of x equal to x0, y equal to y0, we will get y dash of 0, y double dash of 0, y triple dash of 0, y fourth of 0, etc. Now using the Taylor series about x equal to x0 is y of x equal to y0 plus x minus x0, y0 dash plus x minus x0 square divided by factorial 2, y0 double dash plus x minus x0 whole cube divided by factorial 3 plus y triple dash of 0 plus dot 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 many more. This is equation number 3rd. So this is the formula of Taylor series about the point x equal to x0. Again I repeat the formula of Taylor series about the point x equal to x0, that is y of x equal to y0 plus x minus x0 of y0 dash plus x minus x0 squared whole square divided by factorial 2, y0 double dash plus x minus x0 whole to the power 3 divided by factorial 3, y triple dash of 0 plus dot 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 many more. This is equation number 2. Now in the last step, that is step number 6, putting the values of x0, y0 dash, y double dash 0, y double dash of 0, y triple dash of 0 plus dot 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 in equation 1, we get the desired solution of the Taylor series. So this is the working rule of Taylor series. Now let us consider the problem. Problem is given that dy by dx equal to 1 plus xy with initial condition that y equal to 1 when x equal to 0, compute y of 0, 1 correct to 4 decimal by Taylor series method. So this is the problem of Taylor series method. Solution. Given that here dy by dx equal to 1 plus xy. dy by dx means y dash. Y dash equal to dy by dx equal to 1 plus xy. Here x0 equal to 0 and y equal to 1 means initial value of x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. Therefore, on substituting the initial value means x0, y0, we get y0 dash equal to 1 plus x0, y0. That means 1 plus 0 into 1, that is 1. So this is the given part and we will get y0 dash equal to 1 after substituting the value x0 and y0. Then again differentiating, we get y double dash. Y double dash means x of y dash plus 1 plus y, that is y0 double dash equal to x0 y0 dash plus y0 equal to 1. Again differentiating, we get y triple dash. Y triple dash means x of y double dash plus 2 of y dash. On substituting the initial value, it becomes y0 of triple dash equal to x0 y0 double dash plus 2 of y0 dash. On substituting the value of x0 y0, we get the value is 2. In the fourth order, on differentiating, we get x of y triple dash plus 3 times of y double dash, and on substituting the initial value, it becomes y0. Here y0, x0, y0. So this equation x0, y0 triple dash plus 3 times of y0 double dash. On substituting the initial value here also, we get the value 3. And the fifth order is x of y of fourth order plus 4 of y fourth order. It becomes, on substituting the initial value, we get the value is 4 and so on. Now, by using the Taylor series about the point x0 equal to 0 is, the formula is y of x equal to y0 plus x minus x0. Here initial value is 0, that means 0. y0 dash plus x minus x0 of whole square divided by factorial 2. y0 double dash plus x minus x0 of whole cube divided by factorial 3. y0 of triple dash plus dot dot dot. So on substituting the value, it becomes 1 plus x of 1 plus x squared divided by factorial 2 into 1 plus x cube divided by factorial 3 plus y0 double dash is 2 plus x4 divided by factorial 4 and y0 of triple dash is 3. After simplification, the equation becomes 1 plus x squared divided by 2 plus x cube divided by 3 plus x to the power 4 divided by 8 plus dot dot dot. When x equal to 0.1, we get the desired solution is this 1.105346. So this is the solution of the Taylor series. Thank you.